What amazing progress you've made in cervical cancer screening. Big congratulations is in order for all of you for the huge amount of work that has gone into organization and coordination of your screening program and the improvements that have been made to quality of care for women here.
For me, it's really an honor to be here. You should be very, very proud of you have achieved here as a country. You have achieved in less time with some countries with much more money have not yet achieved in double of the time. You are the hope for so many countries in Europe. 20 years is really short when we talk about screening. You can achieve amazing results. Congratulations to all of you.
Da sem ponosna, da sem del programa ZORA, del uspešne 20-letne zgodbe, v kateri smo rešili veliko življenj žensk.
Dosežki programa ZORA so skupno delo in vsak sodelujoči posameznik je imel ključno vlogo pri doseganju tega mejnika.
20 let dobro delujočega programa ZORA ima odlične rezultate za zdravje žensk in je pravi dragulj v ogrlici dobrih praks v slovenskem zdravstvenem sistemu.
ZORA je zgodba malih korakov in velikih zmag. Iskreno verjamem, da skupaj lahko naredimo več in sežemo najdlje. Vse do odprave prvega raka.
Prepričana sem, da bomo dosegli to, da bomo eliminirali raka materničnega vratu v naši državi.